This video will walk you through the fabrication process of direct nickel metallization on polyimide base film material. There are 5 modules in this system, namely degreasing module, modification module, catalyzing module, activating module, and electroless nickel plating module. First is the degreasing module. In this module, the incoming polyimide material is basically cleaned, removing all sorts of contaminant and impurities on the surface. In the modification module, the unique surface modification on polyimide structure occurs. It contains alkaline base modifier to opens up the symmetric imide ring, forming polyamic acid, also known as PAA layer, that acts as anchoring layer having scale of below 5 nanometer. In the catalyzing module, palladium ions are absorbed onto the polyimide. This later acts as a catalyst for the deposition of electroless nickel. The amount of PD catalyst absorbed has to be precisely controlled to achieve superior bonding performance. Catalyzing module is followed by activating module. Essentially, the absorbed palladium ions are metallized by reducing the PD ions into palladium in order to facilitate metallic bonding once electroless nickel is deposited. Lastly is the electroless nickel plating module. As the name suggests, nickel is electrolessly plated to form an extremely thin nickel layer with a thickness of 100 nanometer as a conductive layer. Using this technique, an extremely thin and homogeneous nickel layer with reliable adhesion can be achieved with ultra-smooth surface having Ra value below 50 nanometer. The material is able to withstand heat treatment even at temperature of 300 degrees Celsius despite being hydrophilic, owing to the ultra-thin polyamic acid layer that allows rapid moisture uptake, preventing molecular bond degradation. The material produced with this novel technique is suitable for fine-line copper circuitry formation. The uniform grain structure provides high density of closely packed nucleation sites, which facilitate subsequent noble metals deposition such as gold, platinum, titanium, rhodium, and many others.